So to be able to update your Marshall Major 5 firmware, here as you can see, you need to get an app called Marshall Bluetooth. So once you get an app called Marshall Bluetooth, you will then be able to update it in there. And you can get the app on App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play Store if you have an Android. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put my Marshall Major 5 into pairing mode here, of course, and then I'm just gonna connect it to my phone. So I'm just gonna connect it here real quick. Here is Major 5 as you can see. And now once it's connected to my phone, I'm just gonna open up the Marshall Bluetooth app and then click on add new device right here. It's gonna search for it and then I'm just gonna click on Major 5 here and it's gonna connect to the app real simple here. So sometimes this might take a while, by the way, so just make sure to wait and then click on pair here and then click on continue and you will be able to see stuff that you can do on the app. And you can see when it says firmware update available, just click on it here and then just click on update firmware. And that is basically exactly how to actually do this.